Time for another beer. Now this is one I've been looking forward to. I don't know if you can read that. It's John's Mango Lassi IPA, 5.9%. I've been hearing good things about this, so I'm looking forward to this. Let's crack into it and see what we get. Now I believe it's inspired by, was it Northern Monk? I actually had their Mango Lassi IPA over Christmas, so I've got something to compare it to now. So, good hiss, nice bit of carbonation. Good haze on that. Very much like the original, the colour on that is. Let's have a... Oh wow. Immediately you're hit in the face. It's punched in the face with mango. It is really there. Not getting an awful lot more. There's some there is some almost tropically fruitiness about it, but I'm not sure if that's just coming from the mango or if it's hop as well. And I'm not actually getting any grain from the aroma either. It literally is all about the mango, and there's a slight sweetness almost on the back of the nose. Let's get in there and see what we got. Oh wow. Mango, mango, mango. There is a sweetness there. I can't remember the recipe. I'm sure John has put it up, but maybe lactose. Lovely soft carbonation on it, and the fruit really gets you. It's there right as soon as you start drinking it, all the way into the finish. Honestly, John, thanks so much for sending that. That is a lovely balanced beer. I'm going to be brewing this myself, so I'll be looking at your video again. Oh wow. So yeah, if you've ever had Northern Monk Mango Lassi IPA, that is an absolute stunning beer inspired by it. Like I say, the mango is there all the way through it. You do get some of the grain in the flavour. It's a sweet graininess, like a grainy malt. But honestly, it is absolutely lovely. Thanks so much, John. I am going to go and sit down now and enjoy this beer.